Morning classmates, our report is chapter 11.
May sakit yan.
First, this is the chart of supply chain management. As you can see, there are the suppliers and companies, resellers and the customers. The first logistics, much on self-explanatory. Next.
Apple. Apple.
A practice involving the application of branding and sales strategies to different regions, cities, state, or
Maganda po
countries.
dyan.
An example of base marketing
Ginanda ko natin.
of tourism department and city council with base marketing. Fifth, competing to attract tourists and new residents use branding techniques, also called territorial marketing or place branding. Game place. Example in place.
Romblon.
All of us know a tourist spot, right, in the Philippines? Yes. Good.
Good.
And because of this tourist spot, it can attract some foreigners to visit our country because of the
Visit our country.
tourist places. Location of yes.
To visit our country.
Bisa man? Uy.
Sumubra.
The next is marketing distribution channels.
Mulit. Akala ko mulit.
On channel 1. Channel 1 contains two stages between producer and consumer. A wholesaler and a retailer. A wholesaler typically buys and stores large quantities of several producers. Goods and brings into bulk deliveries to supply retailer with smaller quantities. For smaller retailer,
Nakikita ko.
limited order quantities, the use of
Parang ang
wholesaler
labo.
makes economic sense. Example of channel 1 is
Ha?
example
Oh.
of
Ang
channel
konti
1.
nga ano.
Always remember, just like a grocery, it's a producer, then next is wholesaler and retailer, last, and it ends to consumer. Next. Channel 2. It contains one intermediary. In consumer markets, this is typically a retailer. The consumer electrical goods market in the
Mm.
UK is typically this arrangement whereby producers such
Yes.
DSM.
Yes. PS3. I'd like PS3.
Channel 3 is a called direct marketing channel. And for some reasons, this is on holidays. Right in holidays, just like candles and bola-bola.
Nakakagod-gado.
On Christmas holiday.
Ah,
Bomba. Parol.
Christmas ball.
Paso.
Christmas ball.
Ano? Tao, hayop, bagay, lugar, pangyayari.
Jackstone.
Bola, fishball. Oh, ta.
Wala mo natutuwa ako sa'yo.
on channel 3, please remember the
Joke lang ha. Spell.
because of the holiday seasons, holiday or seasonal, the selling of the
Product.
products which only higher sale on seasonal.
Ano ko ba kinuha?
Limited only on seasonal. That's the main
Purpose.
word for it.
Next.
Next.
Here is the distribute.
Yari ka, Joe.
M stands for manufacturer and C stands for customer.
Wala naman ulit. Wag na, Joe.
Ano yan? Matching type. Matching type.
Yari ka, son. Niloko ka, Joe. NGO din ang police yan.
Huh?
NGO din.
Parang dito market. Dito. Parang dito ano, wholesaler. Dito yung retailer.
Joe. Ano mo kayo? Timang ko kayo ba?
Ito yung yung without a distributor. Tapos ito naman yung merong distributor.
Oh.
Pag walang distributor,
Ayun na, nakasulat mo nga eh.
pero pag yung may distributor, maano na siya kasi meron na siyang, meron na siyang sariling meron na siyang yung, may store kasi may outlet. Then meron na siya yung pagkukuha na nila ng ng supply.
Thank you, Joe. Wala man thank you, Joe.
Isa pa, Joe. Ayun na.
Distribution channel functions.
Sana pa rin yan. Isa pa.
These functions should be assigned to the channel member who can perform them most efficiently and effectively. First, you must understand how to
Chris.
And next, know some information. Next, promotion on how you can promote your products and contact.
How you...
And
Yeah.
next, matching.
The monkey.
Other
Matching.
competitor. And next, negotiation.
How you negotiate
Negotiate with your partners and
clients.
physical distribution. Selling purpose and financing. Financing.
How you finance. Ano?
Business or cultivation strategies. Although they are usually maintaining an awareness of the level of activity. This strategy increases optimizing their supply chain, automating processes, or outsourcing business processes. However, most organizations, even those with streamlined operation and compelling strategies, adjustments for risk rather than follow through on their strategies, strategic objectives. Challenge that is good. And behavior organization. This is the way of the company talking people about their product. This is their relation on how to know what their product is. Everything changes time to time. Their changing strategies as time to go by. So that we will prevent hiring risky outing their product in the market setting a good channel behavior and a good communication with the people who can be the customer of their product. They have a good channel, they can have a good organization and their product as a chance to be. Channel behavior and organization.